on, guys? Shane's back here with the Corvetteboyz. I'm going to bring you another exclusive episode of Corvette TV where I'm going to show you guys this beautiful 1966 Buick Skylark. Come with me.
1966 Buick Skylark GS, 401 nailhead, dual quad. It's my buddy's car from the time we were 18 years old.
Wow.
He passed away. His mom gave me the car about 3 years ago. I did a total restoration on it. Changed a couple things, put disc brakes on the front. You know, a couple little safety issue things. Changed the fuel system in the car so that it gets the gas that it actually needed back then. And it's pretty cherry, man, you know. All right, I did it as a memento to him because he was a really great guy, and that's my son's actual high school graduation present to him. Passed home from his Uncle Ronnie.
And what was the name of that color you were telling me about?
That's Cadillac ATS. You know, the Caddies. It's crystal claret. I happened to pass it in a parking lot one time, and it just jumped at me, and I was just like, "That's the color of the car."
That's beautiful. And how long has it been around?
The car, I've known it. I'm 52 years old, so I've known this car since it was 1983.
Wow, it's been around a long time. It's beautiful.
Yes, his grandmother bought him for his first car.
Wow.
Yep.
So his grandmother had it, he had it?
No. His grandmother bought it from a friend of hers that she couldn't drive anymore, so it went to him. But he was the second owner, and I'm the owner. My son now is the third owner of it.
Wow, so you watched this car from years and years and years go on.
Yep.
Wow, did you ever think one day that I would like to put this paint on these wheels? Or?
Nope. We had it in the garage. I was doing my car. I had a '61 Chevy Impala, and he had this, and we started it together. And in between that period of time, he passed, and I packed it up, delivered it to the mom because I couldn't keep it anymore. She gave it to his nephew, which he willed it to, and he never did anything with it. So I did it for the mom. Yeah. I think of him every time I go into the garage. He's a great guy. One of the best people I ever met in my entire life.
And it's a beautiful thing that you were able to redo it and restore it back even better than what it was when it came out the factory.
Yeah, and here's a weird story about it. After I finished it all, I had to go get the wheels aligned. And when I was at the wheel alignment shop, which a person recommended to me, while I was sitting at the place waiting for it to get done, I looked across the street, and it was the cemetery where he was buried in. Is that kind of odd?
Wow.
Yeah.
So in essence of the whole thing, he was there through the whole process.
He was there. Yeah, he's a great guy.
How many miles roughly does the engine have on it? Because she looks brand new.
He actually had the motor rebuilt prior to it getting put in, and I did a little bit of work to it too because it sat outside for 8 years, you know. So I did a little bit to it, but other than that, it's bone stock.
This is some shades with the Corvetteboyz. A man here with this beautiful Buick Skylark. I appreciate you taking out the time to do a review with us and show it, and it has absolutely been a dream.
All right, man. Thank you. Nice meeting you guys.
MTC represent to the